The wings flow. So remove the tourniquet close cannulation. And then identify the arterial needle. So ayan, the arterial needle still color red. Color coding yaman ka. With the back eye. Makita ang back eye, yes. Kita. Ayan. Sige, ipasa na lang. Sa back eye. Para na idea sa back eye. Later, okay, so yung spin dogs, grasp the wings of the appropriate fistula needle and then move ka, level up. So first, arterial sa top.
Tusok.
So given, dominant hand yung natin practice. So, kung dilit siya, di ba, kung sa other side siya, syempre, isang nagkaayo ko, kung awkward ay imana siya ng puso. So, dito pwede. Dito pwede mga left and right. Okay? So, dapat, dominant hand, so, move to track. Ikaw ang mag-adjust. Okay? So, with your dominant hand, you grasp the wings. You grasp the wings of the appropriate fistula needle, tapos mag-remove ka. Yan. Tapos ready for cannulation na ka. Again, identify the part, ang bezel. Remember the bezel is always bezel. Kapay ka ng mali ang baliktad. Yan, hindi pwede.
Mali.
Likod na mata. Yung sa purpose of your back eye. Why does it place sa inyong arterial? Siya, ang backside ulit. The low anticipated insertion side in opposite direction from needle insertion. So, skin tone ninyo, ayan. Spread. With your non-dominant hand, spread. Ayan. Stretch.